lalayo kay Sir Roy. Baka magkasakitan kami dito ng di oras.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breathe, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day. It's a new life.
Congrats! Congrats!
Oh,
Si Sir Roy, di ba? Thank you!
and I'm feeling good. Sun, you shine. You know what I feel. Scent of a pine. You know what I feel. Oh, freedom, it's all mine, and that's what I mean. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.
Hi!
Hey!
Hi, it's
Hello
me.
po.
What's your name?
Ako po si Isabella Pinzon.
Isabella. Taga saan ka, Isabella?
Taga Pampanga po ako.
Taga... Uy! Ikaw yung tatay mo?
Opo.
Si Kuya Roy pala.
Siya po yung inspiration ko dahil gusto ko rin po maging kagaya niya kasi gusto ko rin po maging makita sa TV pero bilang isang singer.
Wow. Una-una, paumanhin lang na hindi ako umikot para sa'yo. And that's one of my favorite songs, too.
Thank you po.
But the minute I saw Bamboo, I figured, you know what? You know what? Yeah, yes. I saw Sharon. It's like, you know what? Yes. I will just enjoy the rest of the performance and just be so happy for your dad. Because
Salamat
look
po.
at that face. Oh my gosh.
Sasabihin mo ba naging kontrabida ni FPJ yan?
Coach, si Sir Roy. Alam natin lahat si Sir Roy, sa lahat ng mga pelikula, mga bida niyan, ng Google Pay yan. Alam natin, yan ang rest back ng mga rest back. Ganyan katindi yan. Pero kanina, habang kumakanta si Lala, sabi niya sa akin, thank you! Sabi niya.
Nakunan?
Nakunan yun.
Mamaya, mag-usap tayo.
Is Lala here, no? But congratulations.
Thank you po.
Lala,
Hello po.
alam mo, yung tipo mong mga awit, hindi na ako gagalaw pa eh. Talagang hindi ko napapakialaman pa. Si Coach Bamboo na talaga ang perfect na coach
Oh, there.
para
Endorsement.
sa'yo.
Paano naman ako?
Alam mo,
Endorsement. Thank you.
si Coach,
Tignan mo.
Why, thank you, Coach Sarah.
Madali lumimot.
Thank you.
Madali lumimot sa ate.
hindi, teka lang naman. Hindi, kasi very now, ang singing style ni Isabella eh. Iba din ang mabibigay sa iyo na atake ng pagkanta ni Coach Sharon. Classic. Diba?
Sa talento.
Wait lang! Storytelling! At maganda So, matuturuan ka rin niya sa pag-arte. Diba? So, mahihirapan ka.
Nice try.
Nice try.
Mahirap yan.
Love you.
Oh, man.
So, you first?
Oh.
Jack and Paul kaya kayo?
Okay. Out of 1, 3? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm first. All right. Lala, sinabi mo nga when you were speaking, gusto mo ibang path. Ako, it's what I love to do, it's what I am. I have chosen nothing but music. You know what I mean? I am a soldier of music. That is who I am. Diba? You have my full attention in Camp Kawayan. Yun ang gusto ko eh. So I hope you come my way lang. And let's give it our best and see what happens, right? Let's see what happens.
Maraming
So thank you,
salamat po.
Lala.
Lala, he's really a good soldier of music. But I came well before he did. I am the commander-in-chief over here.
Commander-in-chief.
That's my 5-star general over there.
Okay.
Coach Bamboo is a terrific coach. He really is. Truth be told, kahit sino naman sa aming dalawa ang mapilit mo, meron kaming mai-impart. Sa akin lang siguro because I'm also a girl, I never lose that my childlike enthusiasm for my work. What I love to do, which is, my first love is singing. Tapos napunta ako sa acting. Yun lang, sana piliin mo ako. Kasi parang magkakaroon tayong parang mama and daughter, but friends relationship. And I'd love to work with you and take your voice places it's never been.
Well,
Ano?
ang pipiliin ko pong coach, dahil alam ko po, tatanggapin niyo po ng buong-buo ang genre ko. At ang artist perspective ko po, at yun po si Coach Bamboo po.
Magic. Hey, man. Congrats. Thank you very much. Thanks for choosing me. Thank you very much.
Good choice.
Good job.
Perfect.
Thank you.